beautiful Nono Obies, welcome back to my channel. This is Uncut with Nono Obi, where we bring out controversial issues on internet and we'll talk about it. Guys, today's video is not uncut, it's not a controversial issue, but it's just a video that kind of meant so well to me, and it's a video that is very relative to every individual in this world. So I said, let me bring it here, so we'll talk about it. Okay, we'll learn on this YouTube. Okay, I'll play the video, then we'll come back and talk about it.
When you constantly beat down people with your words, one day they will say to you, it's over. It's at times words are more powerful than even physical abuse. Words. Because in some instances, people don't get over the words that have been spoken over them. They don't. They don't. Part of the baggages in the trunk some people are carrying, or they carried into marriage, are words that have been spoken years over them. And because of that, they keep on saying to themselves, I cannot do well. They said I cannot do well. They say I'm a failure. They say I'm this. They say I'm that. They say, and they keep on fighting it. Please, men and women, can we build ourselves up? Men and women, can we be careful what we say? If you don't know what to say, it's okay to keep quiet. There's nothing wrong in keeping quiet. As a matter of fact, quietness is a virtue. It's a virtue. So let's be careful the kind of words that we speak to ourselves.
This is 100% true. You know, people think that when you do the worst, or when you do the most, is when you hit someone. What actually carry weight? I didn't say beating somebody is good. It's as bad as anything you can think of as well. The same way you think hitting a woman or hitting a man is as bad as anything, that's the same way the word what is as bad as anything you can think of it. Or do you understand? If you watch this video, this man just said it. This is Pastor Tola. This is a pastor actually. I don't know him very well, but after I saw this video, I had to go to his page, and of course he's the pastor, he's doing well for himself. But what he just said is the life. It's a life patterning of everybody. To understand what are so painful, what are so heavy. Be mindful of the things you say to people. Be mindful of the things you say to people. What can't be forgotten, it keeps ringing in your head. If you speak very badly to your spouse, like for example, if you speak very badly to your wife, or you speak very badly to your husband, even in those times of happiness, there's this mind that they still have in doubt within them, that how can you be showing this kind of love and you use those kind of words for me? You're pretending. Do you understand that kind of thing? People have used words on people that have turned them today to be as useless as anything you can talk about. People have used words on people that today they have seen themselves less of themselves. They can't even achieve anything in life because they feel that somebody that they loved or someone that they believed in has told them that they are useless and they can't be anything of this life again. Do you understand? But the thing is that whatever somebody tells you from this mouth, and the person is not God, don't put it at the back of your mind. Do you get? But the best solution to this is to watch your mouth. If you see that you're the type that whatever thing that comes out from your mouth is something that hurts somebody, you better still don't talk. Quietness is a virtue. You heard him when he said it. Quietness is a virtue. It's a virtue. It's not easy for somebody to insult you. It's not easy for your husband to tell you hurtful thing. It's not easy for your wife to tell you hurtful thing, and you keep quiet without replying. It's not easy. Quietness is a virtue. Yes, it's a virtue. It's a gift from God. Seriously, to be able to hold on when somebody uses a very bad word on you, especially somebody you love, or somebody you're dating, or your husband, or your family, or your parents, something like that. When they use bad words on you and you don't react to it, my brother, my sister, you have a gift of quietness virtue already without even being told. I have somebody that I know right now. She has been in her marriage for a long time now, years and years and years, but she woke up now and it was words that was, you know, that was constantly used on her, but the things that kind of made her strong and wake up and took whatever action she's taking now, which I don't know. I just pray God intervenes. But the thing there is that what when you keep undermining people and keep telling them things that are hurtful, don't be surprised one day they will stand up and react. Don't be surprised they'll stand up and react and face you back. Seriously, nobody is a fool. I see people, when you have that good wife, or when you have that good husband that always tolerates you, always tolerates your excesses, you talk to them badly, you talk to your wife as if she's a shit. You forgot that you were even the one that came to marry her, that she didn't even come to tell you, will you marry me? You forgot that you were even the one that paid her price. You forgot it. But as soon as she started giving birth, you start seeing her as maybe someone that is fat, someone that is not fine again. But this one is a woman that is sacrificing her life to get pregnant. Do you know what it means that a woman is pregnant? Through her pregnancy, what is on her head is to give birth safely. She's battling so many things, and having to give that birth, maybe her body changed one or two places. It's only to encourage her to get back to that shape that you, the man, love. You use bad words and be finishing her and be telling her things that are painful because she brought children into this world that is going to represent you and represent her as well. Then she has turned to a bad person, and you start misbehaving, using bad words on her, telling her that she's this, she's ugly, she's too fat. This is not how you married her. You expect her to remain the way you married her after she has given birth to 4 children. If you want her to remain the way you married her after she has given birth to 4 children, then you encourage her to go back to that particular shape. And if you see that she can't go back to that particular shape, just deal with it and not use bad words. Bad words is very hurtful. Bad words are suicidal. Some people don't have that strong heart to take in bad words. When you tell them things that are very hurtful, especially from their loved ones, they don't have heart to take in. Sometimes they can go suicidal. Yes, sometimes they can become useless. So many things can come in between it. Do you understand? So that is just it, guys. I just saw this video online. I just feel that it's something that is passing a lot of message to us as individual, be you man or woman. It's something very relatable. You can't say you don't know this pastor because of that. What he said is useless. What he said is a word. This is an elderly man. What he said is a word that is just can't be overemphasized. Mind what you tell your spouse. Mind what you tell mind the words you use on your spouse. Mind the words you use. Yes, if you have a bad mouth, be calculative. When you open it, let the thing that comes out from the mouth be something that is good, not something bad. Control it. Nobody cares, because that shit you're giving to that person, if that person gives back the shit, you will enjoy it. Those bad words that you're telling that person you think that deserves it, if that person gives you that bad words back to you, you're not gonna like it. So that thing you don't like giving, that thing you don't like taking, don't give it to somebody else. If I may just put it this way, quietness is a virtue. If you don't know what to say, just keep the hell shut. Keep the hell shut. You mustn't talk, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video to this point. If you enjoyed it, please kindly give a thumbs up. Share this video to your friends and family. Of course, it's something that everybody needs. This is not the one I say if you don't want to no, everybody needs this video. Young, old, small, whatever class of age you are, it's something you need to start practicing. It's something you need to learn. It's something you need to put down in your head, okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.